What's up, guys? This is Chris Tripp. We're here in the garage with my 2013 Ninja 650, and today is the day that my new exhaust system has arrived. This is the Two Brothers full system. With the 2013, and I'm pretty sure the 2012 as well. There actually is no option for a slip-on, so you basically have to get the full system, or you're just not going to update the exhaust. So here it is on the table. I'm probably not going to finish it tonight. I was going to just take the panels off and get an idea of what I'm going to be doing. I may or may not do this tonight, but I can't hold back my excitement anymore because I've been waiting for this for almost a month. So, without further ado, this is what the stock exhaust sounds like. I'm sure that anybody watching this video already knows that it sounds like crap. And this will be continued in a moment. There it is, the stock exhaust. Looks like I pulled it off a damn Toyota or something. Yep. You know, it's funny, from the side you really couldn't tell how big it actually was. I mean, look at this damn thing. Compared, it's not actually on, so it's not quite a fair comparison, but dude, you get it. Come on. Look how small that shit is. Alright. I think I might start it up in a minute, although I don't want to. You know what? Fuck it. The neighbors can deal with it. Let's see what it sounds like with no exhaust. Oh. Nope. That's not pretty. Well, I went ahead and installed it. It's pretty straightforward, so focus. I didn't really think it was necessary to do any sort of step-by-step video. That just would have taken a little bit more time, and most of you guys probably won't need that. It's just a new pipe. Anyways, well, let's see what it sounds like. I have not turned it on yet. It's about 10:30 at night. But no one's sleeping here. Well, not anymore at least. Daytime where I can actually rev it.